Hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to talk about how to identify the web elements using the tag name. Tag name is also one of the locator strategy along with ID, name, class name, XPath, CSS selector, link text, and also partial link text. So here, right, we often rely on tag name to locate the web elements. Whenever we don't have ID, name, class name, values are unavailable. And we also use the tag names in order to retrieve the data using table tag names like TD or TR. And also, we use anchor tags to fetch the links on a web page. I don't recommend using a tag name unless you have only this option to identify the web elements. And this is the syntax that we should be using to identify the web elements using tag name. By tag name, and you just need to use the tag name, input, button, a, which is anchor tag within the parentheses, surrounded by quotes. Now let's open Eclipse real quick, and then we can talk a little bit more about the test case that I have automated for demo purpose. Right. So this is the test case that I have automated. So here we are going to launch, this application, and then we are going to finding, full name element using tag name. In this case, the tag name is input, and we are using a by.tag name, and we are just using input tag. Input tag is unique here. That's why we should be able to identify the elements using the tag name. But in real-time scenarios, you have plenty of input tags. That's why we don't recommend to use input tag, to identify the web elements. And also we are passing, the name using send keys. And then we are waiting 3 seconds. And then we are using, list web element in order to store all the links using tag name, A, which means anchor tag. So here our goal is to find all the links, with the tag name A, right? And then we are going to print all the links using, size method, because we are capturing, the list, in page links. And then, we are using I to print all the, links in the integer value, right? And so we are using, system.println to print all the links in the console output. And then we are iterating through all links and printing text of these links using anchor tag. So that's why, and we are iterating this one using for loop. And then we are using the get text to print the, name of these links. And then we are quitting the driver gracefully. Now let's open the web browser and then inspect these elements to see how many anchor links are there, and and how many input tags are there. Let me open up the browser, and then we can explore a little bit more. Okay, so here, this is the full name text box that we are using a input tag to identify the web element. So just click on inspect. All right. So here you see input tag. So let me go ahead and press Control F for Windows and Command F for Mac. So here, let me try to see how many input tags are there here. There you go. Here you see only one input tag, right? That's why we can use this input tag to uniquely identify the web element full name. So this has been highlighted here, which is why I have used input tag, but we usually find multiple input tags on the web page. That's why we don't recommend to use input tags to identify the elements. So this is the statement that I have written here, and this will help to identify web element using input tag. Right now, let's go and check how many anchor tags are there. So here, just type A. There you go. There are 17 anchor tags, that are available on this page. So let me click on this little arrow to highlight the web elements in the DOM. Click on for me. See, this is the anchor tag. This link is used the anchor tag, and also click on for, and this is also anchor tag, and then click on components, and this is also anchor tag. Likewise, within this drop down, you can see more links, right? Say for example, click on file upload to see whether this is anchor link or not. Yeah, this is input tag. But however, since we can determine how many anchor tags based on this search criteria. See here, you see 17 anchor tags are available on this web page. That gives us some idea of how many anchor tags available. So you can also type button to see how many buttons are available on this web page. Here you can see, right, there are the 3 buttons available on this web page. Now let's go back. So that's what we wanted to print. Now we are able to identify how many elements are there in the web page using anchor tag and also input tag, right? We can then run our test to see whether we are able to print all the anchor tags in the console output and total number of anchor tags that are available on the web page. Having said that, let me run our test. Run as Java application. Please launch the browser and application, entered full name, and then it is quitted the browser gracefully, and then scroll up a little bit. See here, this has been printed, right? There are total 17 anchor links printed using this statement, and then there are 3 using 3 links names have printed using getText method. Since these 3 are active right over here, mommy, form, and components. So this test is worked as expected. I think we are good to go. And this is how you should be using anchor tags. And there are other scenarios also, like I mentioned in the presentation, right? So you can also give a try whenever you wanted to fetch, you know, all the web elements within the table using, TD or TR tag names. And there may be a couple more scenarios in which you can use the tag name. You can explore a little bit more and then, post your comments down below so that I can try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.